Can I rejuvenate a rubber O-ring? I have a couple of O-rings in my swimming pool's filter pump system that are leaking a touch. This is a 4-year-old system, so things are getting worn and the O-rings are a bit cracked. This is the final year we're keeping this above-ground pool, and I'm trying to make it last the season. Is there anything I could use to rejuvenate the O-rings or rig it up to avoid replacing them? Question from user unhandled except Sean at Stack Exchange. Answer: O-rings are or should be cheap. If they are not, try to establish exactly what size they are and shop around. You should be able to find them for a pretty low cost, and replacing them is the right approach, even for one more year. While you can try to get a little more life out of them by greasing them up with a pretty stiff silicone grease typically found as O-ring grease or vacuum grease that will likely cost more than new O-rings. If you don't already have a tube, it helps improve life if applied sparingly to new O-rings. Since you mentioned that the O-rings are cracked, I should mention that you may find that they break completely at the cracks when you are handling them to apply grease and reinstall them. If everything smiles upon you, you might manage to pack enough grease into the cracks to stop your leaks, but replacing them really is the better approach to try. Answer from user Eknerwall at Stack Exchange.